going on, everybody? Here I have a 2001 Cadillac Seville STS at Brandon Reed's Auto World in Monroe, North Carolina. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the STS. Start it up, show the engine, and a bunch of the features on the interior. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Let's start it up and let it run. Got 92,469 miles. Very easy to turn, very loose. And we'll go ahead and cut the headlights on, fog lights, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And pop the hood. It's got the 32 valve North Star V8. Rear parking assist, dual exhaust outlets, perforated leather, stitched armrests, power everything, 2-person memory, full lumbar, power seats. We do have OnStar, compass mirror, garage home link. North Stars always have a real good, unique sound. Very torquey V8s. Got heated seats for the driver and passenger. Traction control. 6-disc CD changer. dual zone climate control. Change the different modes. You also have your fan controls and volume controls on the steering wheel, temperature, cruise control. It says to come equipped with the Bose sound system.
Gotta get dip, 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 dip. Gotta get dip. Gotta get dip. Gotta get dip. Gotta get dip. 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 Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass on below. I got that rock. How stuck can you get? Ain't that just my luck? That's a child. Teenage dance for my honor in the night. In the dark, with the lumps as the ice as and pumps his way to the fire. In the morning, they show the feeling's kinda alright. I wish you would take from me everything.
It's got a great stereo. Can't go wrong with Bose. I guess we're going to cut it off. If I didn't say before, you have a digital speedometer readout up here. Fuel cap release. Pretty good sized trunk. Heated rear seats as well. Perforated leather. Very comfortable. Rear seat air controls. Sunroof. Full power over here as well. Power outlet. guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour in the 2001 STS. Sure to catch me next time. A lot more of that come from. Here, guys.